If you've purchased any Dassault Systems software, such as SOLIDWORKS, you need to know about arguably the most powerful administrator, the security admin. That's because the security admin controls who has access to the software and all the benefits that come along with it. My name is Philip Morrow, and today I'm going to show you how to view all of your SOLIDWORKS serial numbers, your company's unique legal entity ID, and manage who at your company should have access to this information. Now, this is all controlled through a Dassault Systems website called DSX Client, which is accessed at dsxclient.3ds.com. After creating an account and logging in, you can search for your company or site through Contact Administration, which is found under the main menu. Here you can view your legal entity ID or site ID and manage the contacts that should be associated with your company and its software subscription benefits, such as downloads, online training programs, and free certification exams. When you first purchase SOLIDWORKS, your reseller will add one contact to your site and assign them the role of security administrator. This person will receive an email from the system saying as much and now can manage all contacts at the site. Any contact added will have full access to the subscription benefits of the software, but only the security admin will also gain serial number visibility at myproducts.solidworks.com. Now, not all SOLIDWORKS software is licensed with a serial number, but for those that are, MyProducts shows a complete list of your company's assets. And more than that, you get support end dates, license type, expiration, included products, and even if the license is currently activated on a machine and the machine name. Taking a step further, you can download this information as an Excel sheet so you have full control over managing your machine activated or node locked licensing. And don't forget, activating or deactivating SOLIDWORKS licenses on a computer is as easy as running the activation wizard and choosing the automatic over the internet option. This should take a matter of seconds and does not require uninstalling software, and rarely is a license file needed. But what if you don't want all this power? Well, any site can have multiple security admins, and in fact, you can be a security admin at multiple sites without any issues on DSX Client or MyProducts. So if you're looking for your serial numbers, site ID, or to manage company contacts, go log in or create an account at DSX Client and visit Contact Administration under the main menu. And if you're not the security admin or even a contact at the site to see who is, get in touch with who you bought the license from and tell them that you're switching to MLC.